Today we bring you the best DIY projects that will inspire you. Discover this fantastic infinity mirror coffee table, a creative way to change your walls, an amazing modern side table, the best desk for your room, and this beautiful modern LED lamp. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you're tired of having the same wall in your room, you can change it instantly in this easy way. Let's do it! After cleaning, measure the dimensions to calculate how many pieces of wood you'll need. Now you just have to fill the wall with the wooden slats. Now you can enjoy your new wall. Wood gives it an elegant and sophisticated touch. Dare to try? It seems impossible, but with these wooden pieces, you can get a fantastic LED lamp like this. If you like what you see, pay attention, because I'm going to tell you how to make it. Choose the size of your lamp and cut the wood with these measurements. Layer the wood and semi-transparent plates. You'll get a very elegant design that you'll love. All that's left now is the LED light strip. Hit the power button and you're done. Now you have a fantastic lamp to light up your home. Do you have a boring and simple table like this? Well, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you how you can transform it into this incredible infinity mirror coffee table. You just need a mirror and glass with the same measurements as the table, some solar film, some wood, and an LED strip. Now pay attention and follow these instructions. Here's some tips. Cover the floor with plastic to protect it, and make sure you measure your pieces accurately. you have all the pieces, put them on the table and get ready to enjoy this wonderful infinity mirror coffee table. It's fantastic. If you're thinking of buying a desk, don't do it. It's way better to make it with your own hands. Check out this desk. In this video, you'll see how it's made. The top board is the most important part. Cut it to the size that you want to start creating your own desk. It's not as difficult as you think. Make sure you have the necessary tools. Little by little, join the pieces together very carefully. The end result couldn't be better. Are you ready to use your new desk? Do you like this modern side table? Well, you're in luck because in just a few steps, you can make one just like this. Let's begin. Get a 30-centimeter wooden board and cut it every 5 centimeters. Be very precise and be sure to cut out all the necessary parts. Now it's just a matter of fitting the pieces together. Fantastic the table is. Its design is very modern and its color matches everything. Now you're ready to enjoy it in your room. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos.